Got it. I check thing. If your thighs go like this, ready to start a fire, get you some of that. Cause I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be on this place. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know. How many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste. Hi. Let me catch y'all up on the craziness that is my life right now, right? Okay. Sorry, my lips just feel so dry. First of all, hi. Welcome to my bubble where we do a little bit of adulting, a little bit of healing, and a little bit of creating. But that's my head. It's real thick in here, so it's doing what it want to do. Anyway, we're going on vacation. We're going on vacation. So we gotta do maintenance. Like what? We have to do maintenance. If you know, you know. I really don't know how this is gonna work because when I tell y'all retrograde is retrograding and I have no space on my laptop to be sending myself footage to then edit the footage to then post it, right? But it's all gonna come together. I don't know how, but it's all gonna come together. So in anticipation for that, let me tell y'all what's up, what's going on. Maintenance. I should be packed already, but I'm not all the way packed. I think my outfits are finalized, but like, I'm just not the girly that plans the outfits all the way through, including jewelry. Like my outfits are planned out pretty much for the days, but like jewelry and everything, I'm just gonna throw stuff in and call it a day. I just am, because I meant to finish packing yesterday and then I didn't, and then whatever. So we have to finish packing. I'm not gonna show y'all the outfits. I'm just gonna show y'all me packing everything else, like the small things, the smoking necessities, the this, the that, right? We have to finish packing and then we have to do like girl maintenance, right? My mom is doing my hair because she lands today. My mom's gonna do my hair. My nails will be done tomorrow. Can we go in order? Sorry. See, my mind is all over the place. Today's Thursday. Let's take a step back. Today's Thursday. We're going to get the wax in about 2 hours. Wax. Clean. Underarms. Brazilian. Glitter tattoo. We're going to be cute, right? We're getting wax today. Mom lands tonight. She'll be at my house 10:30, 11 o'clock. Okay? Tomorrow, I get off work early, so I'm going to go get my nails done. And then we're gonna go to Walmart because I have to get sunscreen. I have to get another toothpaste. And mom has to get a bunch of stuff. Saturday. What's Saturday? My mom will probably be doing my hair tomorrow and Saturday. And then we're gonna go to Slutty Vegan Saturday because mom's never had it and she needs to experience the sorcery. And then we leave Sunday morning. So stick with me through the maintenance. I'm pretty sure the owner of the location I go to is gonna be the one doing my wax today. So she knows I make content and footage. So I should be able to ask her like, show y'all the wax, well, the sugar, cause it's not wax. Show y'all the sugar, and I'm gonna show y'all her doing my glitter tattoo and all the girly things, you know? And then when I'm going through packing, I'll show y'all that too. Let's get the maintenance started, okay? I'm ready to be cute. See? No nails. I'm not even gonna show y'all my feet because why would I embarrass myself like that? I have to comb through my hair. It's clean, it's just tangled because I had it in twists. So yeah, let's get ready for vacation. gotta put the strap on the edge one time. Y'all know maintenance is my favorite part. Look at my head. That's alright. I can just redo my book. But sugaring NYC is the truth. Okay? Like, look. I want to try the J Show next, just cause. But I gotta do that on a date when I like really have nothing to do. But like, it's so cute and. So cute and girly in here. Like, I'm just a girl. Hey y'all, so it's obviously hours later. We have progressed to the next stage of packing. All of my clothes are in the bag, my underwear is in the bag, my pajamas are in the bag. I just have to figure out my gym clothes. Speaking of which, I just gotta throw some gym clothes in the bag. I have to put all the small things in the bag. Yo, this chafing powder gel is the truth, okay? The truth. If your thighs go like this, ready to start a fire, get you some of that, okay? Shout out to Sarah Ray Vargas for putting me on all the years ago. Mom has not gotten here yet, but she has landed, so she should be here shortly. And right now, that's where we're at. I was hoping to get my makeup in the bag because I was gonna try and wear makeup on the color coordination day, you know, just to be like extra cute, but it's not giving. I'm gonna be able to fit my makeup in this bag since I had to downsize because American always breaking fucking bags. Like, fingers crossed my mom has space in her bag and maybe can squeeze some of my smaller things in her bag so that I can fit my makeup in my bag. Or since she's a packing wizard, maybe we'll just ask her to do it, you know? So let me show you guys what's going on. These are all the little small things that, well, not all of it, but some of the small things that have to go in here. I've also done laundry, so all of my laundry, well, not all of it, but there's laundry on my bed. Let me show you what's going on in front of me. So this is how the bag looks right now. All of my clothes are in this part. Loungewear, pajamas, cute outfits, day outfits, all of that's in there, right? I'm bringing the flag. My fucking flag, I'm pretty sure, is what stained my white bodysuit that I now have to bleach again because I can't go to an all-white party with red on my shirt. But whatever, we're not gonna get back into it. And then I just have to pack this side. The bags have to go in this side. My shoes, boob tape, all of my jewelry, that's sitting there because I'm deciding whether or not to take it. I somehow almost forgot all of my bathing suits. Don't know how I did that, so that's gonna have to go on this side. And gym clothes. And that's really it. Oh, and my hoodie, because I love a good hoodie. But yeah, bathing suits don't take up no space, so that should be no problem getting those over here. And then airport fits. So this is where we're at with packing.
Oh, the lime stuff, right? The lime stuff. It's something in lime.
What? Oh, this? Yeah, mango and lime.
Mango and lime. Yeah. No, I just know the bottle, so I said that's the good stuff. I'm gonna be smelling like mango and lime. That's what my mind thought of. Because it's Jamaica. What flavor you want? You feeling berry, watermelon, passion fruit, or excuse me, fruit passion, strawberry shortcake, berry turps.
I thought it was 5.
Which one's going in the bag for Jamaica?
All of them.
You're not gonna wait till you got the drink in your hand? You're not gonna wait till you got the drink in your hand? You don't want the
I'm just like, damn.
That's a vegan burger.
That ain't no meat.
No, it's all the leaves.
That's really good.
Okay. Finish the kitchen. Pack all these small things. Close up the bag. I got it. I checked things.
lip stuff. You forgot it. Passport check. Sanitizer, masks are in the bathroom. This pouch is all my bathroom stuff, my skin stuff. You know how my face be and my skin be, so this the face stuff. The big pouch gonna be the aloe and the sunscreen and the after sun. And then I gotta throw in my my hair stuff, my coconut oil. I need my coconut oil. I don't need them. After sun, aloe. You got all your smoking essentials, girl? Smoking essentials. In the pouch, we gotta have in the smell proof pouch. We got the rose blunts. Take my filters out. We got hemp wick. We got a clipper. And some tweezers. Okay. Variety of king palms, limited editions included. We got all the wraps, girl. You got the palms in every flavor. Tray, spray, smoking essentials. It was smoking, y'all. These if you need them. I'll just go we almost done.
This is going back in the closet. We almost done.
My dick, my back, so my brother rip.